In this guide, I will show you how to fix 0 kilobytes error on WhatsApp. The first step is to open your WhatsApp app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the three dots located in the upper right corner of your screen to select Settings from the menu. Then scroll down and tap on Storage and Data. Next, tap on Manage Storage. In the Manage Storage section, you'll see a visual representation of your storage usage. The yellow part represents the storage used by other apps. If your storage is full, identify and delete any unnecessary videos, especially large ones, from your device's gallery. And simply go to your gallery, locate the video you don't need, and delete them. After deleting the unnecessary videos, restart your device. And once your device has restarted, relaunch the WhatsApp app. And that's it. Guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.